I'm Mike Stevens with Snowplow News. I'm here with Terry Windorf, the president of sno-way International. And Terry is going to tell us about his latest product launch and why it's unique and why it's going to be best for contractors, large or small. So Terry, nice to meet you.
Nice
Thank you so
seeing
much.
you. This is a 29, and it's a Revolution, so we call it a 29 RV because it's a V-Plow. So this plow will go here, here, here. And that's pretty standard in the industry. But what we did is we added these wings. So that wing you can put out, this wing can be put out. That gives you a 10-foot wide blade. They also can be brought all the way in to 180 degrees for transport. So when you go down the road, you're legal. Now we accomplished this with single acting spring return cylinders to move the wings. So you have complete control going forward and coming back. These wings are double acting, which means the wings has a cylinder moving it in and a cylinder moving it out. Like all our V-Plows, we still maintained our tower adjustment. And what makes this important is that if you move this from a Ford or a Dodge or a Chevy and the vehicle height changes, you don't have to go through and pull a bunch of pins and reset everything. You just turn this nut and bolt and we level the thing out so you can stay on the ground and get the best scraping that I think anybody in the industry has to offer. We use our LED lights with our patented ESS system, which is a new lighting system that allows you to put these on any truck that you want. I don't care if it's a 1942 Ford or a 2022 Toyota. We're going to be able to get on it, one harness, one setup, all done, all in. So we're very excited. We think this takes this market and allows the plowers more flexibility to do what they want, what they need to do at the time frame they need to do it, and they get to make some money. So I really do thank you for letting me have an opportunity to talk about this product because we're really excited about it.
And Terry, for the applications, what types of trucks does this fit?
Application 3/4 ton, 1 ton and up. Got to have some truck behind this thing to move it, so because we're going to carry a lot of snow. But it's 1,075 pounds, so it fits the 3/4 ton applications, and you'll be able to go to town.
All right, thank you, Terry.
No problem.
Great new product.